I'm alive again, more alive than I have been in my whole entire life. I can see these people's ears perk up as I begin. I fast with the pen. I'm a little bit sicker than most. Finna get thicker than they say that I be seeing this stick. Finna get hard from it. Now I'm sticking in. I'm never giving in again. Caution to the wind, complete freedom. Look at these rappers, how about cheating them? So why without doing them and not beating them? They call me a freak cause I just spit on these. Far in and man, get these whack cocksuckers on stage with this Kanye, we can eat them snacks tonight from them. I'ma let you finish for the minute, but the rappers hyping them like a good verse of all time. So you might wanna go back in the lab tonight and scribble out those rhymes you were gonna spit and start over from scratch and write them up. My friend, they ain't gonna make no difference on the stage until we have tonight. Cause I'm just the rest for the face, so I'm gonna wait for the release on the way to the parking lot. Fella, terrified to the mic and night the crowd. You see spot from hot metal, go hard and fell there, well guarded the game. Myself started to rock. Fella, I'm not even in my heart, you still get roasted cause March is not much. When the cop coming on the top, I'm not gonna stop from standing. I'm a monopoly boy, that means I'm on top of my Gary. Don't stop, I'm hit, don't hop anymore. Can't say the ain't for who from you side, cocky anymore. People just get sick cause you spit and force me to draw the dribble job anymore. You never break on my stride, let it slow. No more minute, any moment about to blow. You never take my pride, kill the flow, spit venom in. Getting no mercy about my words and let no let this house smell blood. I'm gonna keep giving them hell. Boys, you and my family need to help up. You get no love.